Fire's been part of the Australian ecosystem for probably about 30 million years. It's been a long time, and it's gone hand in hand with the development of our unique fauna and flora. So our eucalypts, our acacia flora, for example, basically started to spread across the continent when fire became more common. The dry forests of Victoria are largely in foothill sort of country. So the foothills are areas where we get reasonably high rainfall, which means they're fairly rich in fauna and flora in those areas, but they also get subjected to seasonal drought conditions, and it's in those dry conditions we tend to get more fires occurring. And one of the things that's probably often missed is that fire creates an opportunity for regeneration of particularly the plant species, but it needs to be fire with a certain pattern and distribution across the landscape. Some fires, they're so intense and so large that they create a long-term structural change to the environment. So large, intense fires can be a part of the process, but that might be a 1 in 100 year, 1 in 200 year type event, whereas if they start to occur every 20 years, we totally change the structure and even species composition. What we've been seeing in recent times, we're seeing an increase in the frequency of drought, but we're also seeing increased moisture in summer, but that moisture is not resulting in a lot of rain and a lot of runoff and a lot of soil wetting. It's actually increasing the amount of lightning activity we get. And lightning is a natural source of ignition of bushfires. So that's really quite important, because a lot of lightning actually occurs in quite remote areas. And whilst lightning fires might only start about a third of the fires, they actually burn about 3/4 of the area that's actually burnt by wildfires. So when we're talking about climate change, it's not a gradual process. We actually see a very rapid transition from one state to another. So we're starting to see more fire in remote areas, and those fires are tending to be larger because of the drought conditions we're subjected to.